Thank you for joining me for yet another unboxing video, and today we have another one of the 7 Deadly Sins, an expansion for the Others board game. This time it's Gluttony, brought to you by Guillotine Games, Studio McVeigh, and Cool Mini or Not, or Simon. And in this box set, or this expansion, it comes with 8 miniatures, 1 sin board, 12 sin cards, and 3 sin dice. Again, it's an expansion for the Others. Outstanding artwork. Really captures the feel of hell on earth. There it is. And as I stood from my plate and wished no more sustenance, the people did raise theirs for more. And they didst eat, and they didst drink, and they took all their king didst offer, never seeing the graves they dug with their own teeth. And at the end, when the city groaned beneath its own weight, and burst with people bloated beyond caring, only then 'twas the horror amongst them revealed. The Gluttony expansion adds a whole new sin for players to use in their game of the Others, bringing new challenges to the hero players and new strategies for the Sins player. Gluttony comes with its own set of monsters, including a controller, 6 abominations, and a terrifying avatar of sin. Through its sin power and sin cards, Gluttony introduces a completely different dynamic to the game, with the forces of sin feeding off of everything that makes the hero stronger. Again, this was released in 2016 by Simon. Of course, for more information, go to simon.com, and of course, you can go to guillotinegames.com. Of course, you need the Others core box to enjoy this expansion and use it in the game. Some pictures of the miniatures and the box contents. 8 highly detailed miniatures, 1 sin board, 12 sin cards, and 3 sin dice. So, let's crack this bad boy open and see what kind of goodness we have on the inside. I already started painting it, so you got 1 in there. Sometimes it's just easier to get them out of the box that way. So the first thing we got here is our sin card, which is Gluttony. So here's your abomination, your controller, and your avatar. There's your strength and your defense. Strength and defense, and strength and defense. Beware, heroes, I will feed off your power. Whenever a hero gains an upgrade card, you gain a sin card. Whenever a hero gains an extra turn token, you gain a reaction token. There you go. That's Gluttony. You get 3 sin dice and you get 12 sin cards. The 3 unique dice. Tentacles. Fist with a flame around it, and nothing. That's what's on the dice. All 3 are the same. I like the green and yellow. I do like the green and yellow dice. I do. And of course, you get the little bag, and you get your 12 cards. Now, the cards do not come sleeved. The sleeves come separately. 12 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Love the colors on the cards. I really do. Really captures the feel of the game. Okay. Evil regroups. Start of hero turn, move up to 2 monsters, 1 space each. Damned if you do. Hate for our master. Abominable fury. Devour the self. Cursed fate. Ravenous frenzy. Grisly appetite. Poison indulgence. Darkest craving. Start of hero turn. Offer any number of heroes an extra turn token. Each hero that refuses takes 1 corruption. Grim veracity. Start of hero turn. Give current hero 1 upgrade card, your choice, and 1 extra turn token. Gluttony. There they are. we have our controller. Again, I did some painting here. I'm not the greatest painter in the world, but it still makes the figures pop a little bit more so you can see the great detail that's on them. Needs a little touch up there, needs to be finished off. There's your controller. And we have our abominations. Got 2 of those. Front, back. Very cool. Some more abominations. Again, love Simon figures. So cool. And your last 2. 2 of each sculpt. The details. And your avatar. I see his butt. Anyway. It's as gross as it is cool. Again, this is everything that's included in this expansion for the others. And today we're talking about one of the 7 sins, which is gluttony. 8 miniatures, 1 sin board, 12 sin cards, 3 sin dice. Brought to you by Guillotine Games, Studio McVeigh, and Cool Mini or Not, or Simon. Again, thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a like, leave a comment below. Of course, you can subscribe to our channel. This way, you can be kept up to date, knowing when we're releasing any new content or any new videos. Again, thank you so much for joining us. Be safe, be well, enjoy the remainder of your day, and we'll catch you on the next unboxing video.